What's up, my Kyrie queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to you. Please follow me on Instagram at Kyrie_Contour. And that's KAIRI_CONTOUR. So for today, we are gonna go ahead and do our foundation, and I'm gonna teach you how to put on lashes, girl. Yes. You know, when I was younger, I had some thick lashes. I don't know what happened. As you get older, it's just thinning. It's not full anymore. If you wanna know how I do my foundation and my lashes, stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Don't go nowhere. So when I do my foundation, I always do my brows first. For today, I'm just gonna do a soft look. So I'm gonna go in with the Hard Candy Blurring Primer. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It is a thunderstorm outside. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna go in with a orange corrector. And I like to do that around the dark areas of my face. So that orange would counteract the dark pigment that I have, and then I'll put my foundation on top. When I'm actually doing my foundation, I like to use, when I'm doing my foundation, I like to use a damp beauty blending sponge. So the foundation I'm using nowadays is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. And I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Now, if I was doing a client, so I put some on the back of my hand, and I take a fluffy foundation brush. So this is from e.l.f. It's an ultimate blending brush. Make sure you are blending all the way down to your neck. All right, my queen, so now I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blending brush. This is also from e.l.f. Pat it in. I don't wanna like move anything because it's gonna move all that makeup all around, and I don't wanna do that. I hate feeling like my makeup is caked on. I'm gonna go back in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. And then I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of Cool Tan to just lighten it up a little bit. Are you guys ready to blend?
And I
like to contour my nose as well. And I like to add a little bit of brightness right in the front of my forehead here to the bridge of my nose. Public service announcement. Please, I'm begging y'all, please. Blend as much as possible. I know your wrist will start getting a little achy, but it's okay. You could deal with the carpal tunnel later. I just want you guys to make sure that this makeup is blended. I've had situations where my boyfriend has been like, babe, don't leave this house until you blend that line real quick. Shout outs to my boyfriend because he's amazing. This rain is going crazy, guys. So now what I'm gonna do is set my under eye. I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. I like e.l.f. now. I didn't like e.l.f. before. They have definitely stepped up their makeup game. Before it was like kitty makeup, and now they are rolling with the big dog. e.l.f., I support you. Hit me up if you want me to do any reviews or anything. I'm totally down. Yeah. It's a Halo Glow setting powder in the shade Dark. See that there. And this is in the shade Medium. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. It's actually a setting brush. I got this brush from Target. Make sure your under eye is not creasing when you set it. I'm gonna go in with my fluffy foundation brush. I use this for my foundation powder. And this is from Coastal Scents. The same foundation I use the powder version of it, same shade and everything. So it's the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. And then I'm gonna just start patting everything on. I like to pat first because I feel like that sets it a lot better. So I'm gonna pat first and then I'll buff it in. So I'm gonna go in with a clean fluffy brush. I am done baking. I'm gonna move that and then put my powder foundation on top of that. Some of that. Yes, get some. Don't. Want some? Okay. I thought you wanted some. I'm gonna brush that under my eye, just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly and flawlessly. Yes, you already know. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my blush. It's from Lovecraft Beauty. I like where this is going. I like where this is going. I like where this is going. So you're gonna smile for me. Smile for the camera. Say cheese. And then use the apples of your cheeks as a guide. And you wanna brush in a semicircle motion. Yes. Why not? So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful friend of mine got me these adorable brushes from Lenora. This is the packaging that it came in. The highlight and contour brush set. I think it's absolutely amazing. So it came with 5 brushes, and I'm gonna go in with this brush here. Is a flat contour brush. I think it's number 112. 112. Hey, I love that group. 112. That was like my favorite group back in the day. So I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiant True Complexion Contour Palette that is a mouthful of words here. And I'm gonna go in with my flat contour brush. I literally do this. Tap that, tap that. We're gonna dap it, then tap it. Ayy, dap it, then tap it. Ayy, dap it, then tap it. So we're gonna make a duck face. Where your cheekbone is at, like make sure you see your cheekbone, and right under your cheekbone, that's where you want to put that contour. So we're gonna take a fluffy contour brush, dap it and tap it. Use the precision angled contour brush from the same Lenora brush set. I look exactly where the light is hitting and where the shadow is, and I just kind of, what I'm doing is darkening the shadow that's already there. All right guys, so now I'm just gonna go into my highlighter. It is called Focal Point Highlighters in the shade Your Treat. And if I can open it, I can show you what it looks like. I'm gonna use my tapered contour brush. All right. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline's Lash Sensational mascara. This is the Delilah for that lash set. That's cute. It has like a little glitter package thingy in there. I think I want to keep this, to be honest. And what I like to do with my lashes before I put them on is get a spoolie and just brush them down. And that just makes it a little more natural looking and not like all clumped up like they just got out the factory. Whenever you take lashes out of the packaging, you don't want to just hold the outer corner and like peel it off. That just makes it lose the natural shape of the lash. So what you want to do is, and I hope you can see it, you just take or put your finger on the middle of the lash, hold it, and start to slide it down all throughout the lash there. God, I hope you guys can see that. So that the lash can still be nice and curved. Get a lash glue. This is eye glue, but it looks like igloo. So it's I, the letter I, then GLOO. It's a Premier Strip Lash Adhesive. I just go like that, take a little bit. Don't want to do too much because you don't want it running in your eye. Please do not do too much. After you put that lash glue on, you're gonna let it, if you don't have like a fan or anything, you will let it dry for about 30 seconds just to get tacky. You don't want to just put the lash on right when you put the lash glue on because it's not going to stick. You have to let it dry just a little bit to get that tackiness. Now, when you do your lipstick, please make sure you use a finger. I like to use a pinky finger, whatever you choose. And it just takes off that excess lipstick so you're not walking around looking like you colored your teeth. Now, last but not least, you cannot do all this makeup and not set it. I used NYX Bare With Me Prime, Set, and Refresh Spray. Did I say that right? I did say that right. Boom! In your face. Let me put my earrings in, fix my hair for you guys, and I'll be right back. Hey. No, folks, I am digging this coming. If you guys like it, and if you have any other requests, I will do my best to help you get dressed Thank you so much for joining me for my video, and I will see you guys next Sunday. I just want to take the time out to say rest in peace George Floyd, rest in peace Breonna Taylor, rest in peace Ahmaud Arbery, and rest in peace to all of the other names that I could not even fit in this video. And on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video, and be safe. Bye, guys.